The concept of flight has captured the human imagination for centuries. From the earliest myths of Icarus and Daedalus to the groundbreaking achievements of the Wright brothers, the desire to conquer the skies has been a persistent theme in human history. The history of aviation is a fascinating narrative that traces the evolution of human ingenuity and technological prowess. From the early dreams of flight to the modern era of supersonic travel, we'll explore the key milestones, inventors, and technological advancements that have shaped the aviation industry. Spanning centuries, the journey through the skies has been marked by triumphs, challenges, and continuous innovation. The earliest inklings of human fascination with flight can be traced back to ancient civilizations. From the mythical stories of flying gods in Greek mythology to the ingenious sketches of Leonardo da Vinci's flying machines during the Renaissance, the dream of soaring through the air persisted across cultures and epochs. However, these early visions remained largely theoretical and lacked the technological advancements required for practical implementation. Orville and Wilbur Wright, born in the late 19th century, are hailed as the pioneers of modern aviation for their unparalleled achievements in powered flight. The brothers, self-taught engineers and bicycle manufacturers from Dayton, Ohio, meticulously conducted a series of glider experiments before achieving their groundbreaking success on December 17, 1903. On that historic day, at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, the Wright brothers piloted the Wright Flyer, the world's first powered, controlled, and sustained aircraft, marking the dawn of a new era in transportation. Their achievement was a testament to their innovative engineering, as the Wright Flyer incorporated a revolutionary three-axis control system that allowed precise maneuvering, an essential breakthrough that eluded many contemporary aviators. The brothers' dedication to methodical experimentation and their deep understanding of aerodynamics paved the way for subsequent developments in aviation technology. Their legacy endures not only in the annals of aviation history, but also in shaping the trajectory of human progress and opening the skies for generations to come. World War I witnessed a transformative era in aviation as aircraft became integral to military strategies. During this conflict, which spanned from 1914 to 1918, aviation technology evolved rapidly, transitioning from primarily reconnaissance roles to active engagement in aerial combat and strategic bombing campaigns. The skies over the Western Front became a dynamic theater of war, where aviators played crucial roles in gaining intelligence, disrupting enemy communication lines, and engaging in dogfights. A variety of aircraft types were employed during World War I, reflecting the experimental nature of early aviation. Biplanes, with their distinctive two-wing design, dominated the skies. Scouts, such as the iconic Sopwith Camel and the Fokker DR-1, were lightweight and maneuverable, making them well suited for dogfights. Bombers, like the Handley Page O-100 and the Gotha GV, were introduced for strategic bombing missions, heralding a new era in aerial warfare. The war also saw the emergence of reconnaissance planes, such as the French Breguet 14 and the German Rumpler, which played vital roles in gathering intelligence behind enemy lines. Aerial combat, marked by daring dogfights between skilled pilots, became a defining feature of World War I aviation. The introduction of synchronized machine guns, allowing bullets to fire through the plane's propeller without striking it, significantly enhanced the effectiveness of these airborne confrontations. The relentless innovation and experimentation during this period laid the foundation for the further evolution of military aviation in the years to come. The golden age of aviation, spanning the interwar period between the two world wars, was a transformative era marked by a surge in technological innovation, record-setting flights, and the establishment of commercial aviation as a global industry. This period, roughly from the mid-1920s to the late 1930s, captured the public's imagination and witnessed a rapid expansion of aviation capabilities. Pioneering aviators like Charles Lindbergh and Amelia Earhart became iconic figures, achieving unprecedented feats that captivated the world. Lindbergh's solo non-stop transatlantic flight in the Spirit of St. Louis in 1927 was a monumental achievement, solidifying aviation's potential for long-distance travel. Meanwhile, Amelia Earhart, the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic, further shattered gender norms and inspired a generation of female aviators. The first commercial flight in history took place on January 1, 1914, when a Benoit 14 flying boat, piloted by Tony Janus, carried paying passengers across Tampa Bay from St. Petersburg to Tampa, Florida. The flight, which covered a distance of approximately 23 miles in 23 minutes, marked a significant milestone in aviation history and laid the foundation for the commercial air travel industry. This inaugural commercial flight not only demonstrated the feasibility of air travel for the general public, but also set in motion the rapid expansion of commercial aviation in the years to come. Airlines began offering passenger services, and aviation evolved from a mode of transport for the elite to a more accessible means of travel for the general public. The introduction of the Boeing 247, the first modern airliner, and the Douglas DC-3, an iconic and reliable aircraft, revolutionized air travel by providing comfort, speed, and efficiency. The golden age of aviation was not without its challenges. Technological advancements were met with risks and setbacks, and notable aviators faced tragic ends. Yet the spirit of exploration and the pursuit of new horizons prevailed. The period set the stage for the further globalization of air travel, making the world more interconnected and accessible. The innovations and milestones achieved during this golden era laid a solid foundation for the continued evolution of aviation into the modern age. The jet age, a transformative era in aviation, emerged during World War II with the introduction of jet propulsion technology. The German Messerschmitt Me 262, the world's first operational jet-powered fighter aircraft, made its maiden flight in 1942, symbolizing a monumental shift in the capabilities of military aviation. This revolutionary technology, which replaced traditional propeller-driven engines with jet engines, offered unprecedented speed and altitude, fundamentally altering the dynamics of aerial warfare. The Allies, particularly the British with the Gloucester Meteor and the Americans with the Lockheed P-80 Shooting Star, quickly followed suit in developing their jet-powered aircraft. The advent of jet fighters had a profound impact on combat strategies, introducing higher speeds and the ability to reach altitudes beyond the capabilities of propeller-driven planes. The Korean War in the early 1950s further highlighted the significance of jet-powered aircraft in military conflicts, solidifying the jet age as a defining chapter in aviation history. Post-war, the jet age transitioned into the civilian realm with the introduction of commercial jet airliners. The Boeing 707 and the Douglas DC-8, both entering service in the late 1950s, revolutionized air travel by providing faster, more comfortable, and more efficient transportation. This marked the beginning of a new era in which the speed and efficiency of jet propulsion became synonymous with commercial aviation, transforming the global landscape of travel and connectivity. The space age, inaugurated by the launch of the Soviet satellite Sputnik 1 in 1957, ushered in an unprecedented era of exploration that extended beyond Earth's atmosphere. While the space age primarily focused on space exploration, it also had profound implications for aviation, pushing the boundaries of aeronautical engineering and technology. The race to space between the United States and the Soviet Union saw the development of increasingly sophisticated and powerful rockets, which had direct applications for aviation as well. The mid-20th century witnessed the convergence of aviation and space exploration with the development of experimental aircraft capable of reaching the edge of Earth's atmosphere. The North American X-15, a rocket-powered aircraft, made a series of manned suborbital and orbital flights in the 1960s, showcasing the potential for high-altitude and high-speed flight. Additionally, the Space Shuttle program, initiated in the 1980s, featured reusable spacecraft that could take off as a rocket and land as a glider, further blurring the lines between aviation and space travel. The space age not only expanded the technological frontiers of aviation, but also had a lasting impact on global perceptions of air travel. The development of satellite-based navigation systems, such as the Global Positioning System, GPS, emerged as a direct result of space exploration, enhancing the precision and safety of aviation. Moreover, the dream of commercial space travel continues to inspire new ventures, showcasing the enduring synergy between aviation and the broader quest for exploration beyond Earth's atmosphere. The history of aviation is a remarkable journey that reflects humanity's relentless pursuit of exploration and innovation. From the dreams of ancient civilizations to the cutting-edge technologies of the modern era, aviation has transformed the way we connect, explore, and understand the world. As we look to the future, the legacy of aviation continues to shape our aspirations for the skies.